welcome to episode number 28 of this Daily Hearns.
Yes.
And today we're going to talk again about slot cars. So we did a short episode, I think 2 weeks ago.
Yep.
And today we've got something new, a bit more extensive.
Yes.
So what are we introducing today? So
we've got the SCX system, we've got the Advance system opened up here, which is the SCX Digital System.
So SCX is a company that started producing slot cars in 1962. And last year they revamped their range with a full new system from the little 143 scale all the way up to digital 1/32 scale cars, so, which are these cars here. Obviously they're very similar to the actual Scalextric car, same scale, 1/32.
Yes. So all in all, they should be working across.
They'll be cross-compatible. As for the analog, obviously the digital system will be actually different.
Yes.
But for the analog, they will run on the same track. So we can, as you can see, the car do fit across different tracks. So maybe we start introducing the different type of sets that are offered by the SCX, and then maybe we move along to the comparison between SCX and Scalextric.
Sure, yeah, there's quite a few different sets.
Absolutely. So for a start, we start with a junior set, what we can call the junior set. So it's called SCX Compact.
Yes. So as you can see, the cars are a bit smaller, the 43rd scale.
It's about 5 meters of track, and this specific set comes with some loops, so it's good fun, perfect entry level for the kids. Good wireless controller, so less confusion with cables and tangling.
Yep.
Ideal for kids. And you have different layouts you can create. Obviously, so, fully expandable as well.
Yeah. So with this sort of system, you can get a lot more action in a smaller amount of space.
That's correct. So moving up to the more traditional 1/32 scale systems, we have the Open GT, which is the biggest set here. So this will come with a similar car that we have here on the table, standard size 1/32, very traditional for slot cars.
Yes. So this is an analog system, but it's advanced ready, which means it's very easy to swap over to a digital system. So with the cars, they'll just need the digital chips fitted to them and the pickups, and then it'll also have a digital system starting straight.
So let's have a look, because what they have very interesting is the ability of converting an analog set to digital. So SCX has a expansion kit,
yes,
which lets you turn an analog set to digital. So the kit includes,
well, you've got the two controllers, and they're wireless, so you just fit the batteries in the ends here. It comes with the track changing piece, so you can do chases and swap lanes easily. It has the chips here, which retrofit into your analog car, and also the new pickups, which have got the blade which drops down to change the lanes.
So that's a very good way to turn your introductory set into digital. So then we have a fully digital set. Okay, so there's the SCX Advance Gt3 set.
Yes.
That's a top of the range SCX set.
So with this system, you can run up to 9 cars with a few extras. So you need extra controls, extra cars, of course. And then with this set, it also comes with the 2 lane changing pieces, so you can put those at different ends to make it more interesting. Also, so these are the cars which come in the set.
The best part of this set is that you can also upgrade it to the SCX Advanced Bluetooth system, which I'm going to show you in a second. The wheel goes new into stock.
Waco. Someone going to build a Draco, you think? Don't know what Draco is, you should look it up.
Yeah. Put a picture here of Draco. That could be your next model.
Yeah, this little dinky little thing turned into whatever Adam's holding right now. Yeah,
Like
right there.
There.
Yeah. Fire-breathing dragon of a stole aircraft.
Yes, that's in dire need of repair now. We won't go there.
No. That'd be a bit sad.
We're actually holding our first ever RC stall event at the end of February.
It's February 29th at PN Darts?
Yes. So we're hosting that. Hopefully we'll get some good aircrafts out there. First event, we've actually encouraged everyone to bring their planes down, whether it's a STOL plane or an aerobatic plane, just to have some fun and a laugh. So
Awesome, that's what it's all about, isn't it?
should be a good day. We're trying to tee up a pre-midday flight demo from a world pilot, so we'll get to that in the coming weeks, hopefully.
Very cool. So what else have we got that's brand new?
New in is, restock is the Timber X 1.2.
Awesome
another
little
great
STOL
STOL
aircraft.
plane. And 3D capable as well.
Moving on to the...
Coming in, we've got the Freewing FA18C Hornet. That came in just last week. We're now doing a lot of the Freewing, distributing the Freewing stuff, so...
Alright, so that'll probably do for the moment. I think we can put that together because this is a missing piece from the track.
Beautiful.
And we
Let's
get it going.
go on race,
Yeah.
shall we?
Yep.
The binding procedure is very, very simple. Well, it's bundled.
Is that it?
So,
Put that quickly.
but there's an automatic binding function. If you think really hard, you actually connect to the truck.
Oh,
You need to think about the color, and you need to think about the car for about 3 seconds simultaneously, and that binds together.
That's magic. That's black
So-
magic.
So what you actually do, you put the car on the track.
To bind the car, you put a car on the truck. You leave only one car on the truck. You press and hold this green button for a couple of seconds, and the job is done.
Awesome.
And off you go. So, as you can see, the digital cars do have lights as well. The one that come with the set don't have lights, but the one out of the box do have front and rear lights and tail lights. So as soon as you put them down,
Need a bit of help there.
so now
All right.
we
That's same lane. No, this one isn't down.
no, because actually that was
Was this?
press and hold. It's gonna move forward now. Live it? No?
Press and hold.
Ah, there's 2 cars on the track.
Yeah.
Here we
Alright,
go.
press
See,
and hold.
try now. Press and hold. Live it. Press. So sorry, press the gas.
No. Maybe just pull it off the track. Put it back on. All right.
Try again.
Press and hold.
Okay, leave it. You should be good now.
Maybe it's just Nick's magic touch. Maybe pop it on the other track because you've already got a remote bound to one track.
First of all, I think we have a problem, which is called not having brakes on.
That's enough, is it?
Not really.
So provided the car is fully assembled,
There we go.
that means
Bang.
bounded. So
Easy.
you move forward, and that's
There goes. And Nick will fly it straight off the track. To be honest with you, the gradient on this track is quite challenging, so I can't really blame him too much.
SCX.